If your cursor is the star of the show, then let's make it shine. Hi, I'm Ken with LearningZen, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the cursor path in Camtasia 2022. Actors. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you two quick ways to edit your cursor paths. One for a Camtasia screen recording, and the other for a non-Camtasia video or recording. So let's get into it. All right, so I have a screen recording down here on my timeline. And in Camtasia 2022, when you do a screen recording, Camtasia records the data points for your cursor. So it tracks the movement of your cursor. So when you have a piece of media that is a screen recording on your timeline, if you select it, if you come to the right to the properties panel, you'll notice that you now have a properties panel just for the cursor. And you can affect the scale, you can affect the opacity, and today we're going to edit the cursor path. So I can just click Edit Cursor Path, and it will show me all the data points of my cursor in this piece of video, or in this recording. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit, and I have this little V over here that's kind of unnecessary. I don't know why it's there. It just goes up and down, and it doesn't really go anywhere. And the next movement, it's going to move up to select a color. So I really don't need all of this stuff over here. So what I can do is I can either click on a data point on the canvas, or I can click on the data point on the timeline. Both will do the same thing. There we go. Let's select this one. And you'll notice as soon as you select the data point, it gives you options as to what type of handle you want to put on that data point. And that's what these are. These are handles. So this first one that has the two lines, this is going to make a straight line. This will make a line you can see that kind of bends to the right. This one will bend to the left. And then this one will be a full curve. So you can select what type of handles. Straight is fine for me. I don't need these data points, so I clicked on it. I can just go to my keyboard and hit delete. And it will delete that. I can go here and I can click delete and it will delete that one, and I can just leave that one there. So now if I play this, my mouse goes over there as I'm talking about the property panels. It stays there. It doesn't bounce around or be distracting. And then it just goes right up to select colors. The other thing that you can do when you're editing your cursor path, if you click on the cursor path and then right click, you can also add cursor paths. So if you want to add a cursor path, you can click that and add it for where the playhead is. And you can also expand these out or make them shorter. Okay, so that is for a Camtasia screen recording. Okay, and for this next example, this is an example of no cursor. Now, this is a screen recording, but for some reason, you'll see that this box moves and things are moving, but there's no cursor. And I have it selected, and I don't have a cursor to select on the properties panel. So what I will do is I can still add cursor effects, and I can still edit the cursor. What I would do is come over, select cursor effects on the left in the toolbar, up, select cursor path, drag that down onto my media. And as soon as I drop that in, you'll see it puts in a cursor path. It just runs down. And you can move these points around, so I can make it shorter. I can move the beginning, I can move the ending, and you can see how it curves. And that's because of the handle that's selected. If I select straight, we'll have a straight line. So let's go over here to this white box before it moves. So right there, that's my starting point. My ending point I know is down here. I'm going to now move the effect over and slide through and see if the timing is right. It's kind of close. We can shorten this up and add some data points in here. So I'm going to expand this, run this through, and I'm going to add a data point here. And I'm going to move it down to this box. I'm going to keep going. I'll add one here. And then move that one to there. And then it's pretty close. So let's run this through and see. That's pretty close. We can play with the beginning again to have it, it's starting a little soon. We're getting to this first data point before it even starts. So let's zoom in here. I'm going to bring the beginning down to here, run it through. And now I have my cursor dragging the white box. So that's how you would edit the cursor path for a video that does not have a cursor or was not a screen recording. And once you're done, you just click Finish Editing, and it goes right back. And again, if we ran that again, you can see it runs now. So there you have it, how to edit the cursor path in Camtasia 2022. If you like this video or any of the videos we have on our channel, why don't you go ahead and give us a like, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll come out with new videos every week. Until next time, remember, laugh more and learn more. See ya.